Morning to all. Today our chapter is simultaneous linear equation of two variable. Chapter number 5. Okay. Simultaneous linear equation of two variable. Chapter number 5 from the book Innovative Math Books. Okay. The two variable equation can be solved by different methods. And in your book, first method is substitution method. Second method is elimination method. Third method is cross multiplication method. By these three methods, the two variable equation can be solved. Let me discuss one by one. First one substitution method, second one elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. By these three methods, simultaneous equation of two variables can be solved. Let me discuss one by one, doing exercise sum. Exercise 5a. Solve the following system of linear equation by substitution method or elimination method. Question number 1 to 29. Let me solve one by one. First question given 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Second equation given 3x plus 2y equal to 4 given. Let me solve. Equation 1 given 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Second equation given 3x plus 2y equal to 4. I am doing this equation solving by elimination method. Okay. Equation 1 you have to multiply with 2 by the method of elimination. Okay. Just to see. If I multiply equation 1 with 2, what will get? It will be 16x plus 10y is equal to 9 to the 18. And equation 2 you have to multiply with 5. Then it will be 5 3 are 15x plus 5 2 are 10y equal to 5 4 are 20. Okay. Why I am doing multiplying 2 with equation 1 and 5 with equation 2? Because I am making equal number of y. If y will be equal, then I can eliminate if I subtract. Okay. The method is elimination method. If I subtract, then this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. Now 10y minus 10y cancel. It is eliminated. Now 16x minus 15x, it will be 16x minus 50, it will be x. And here 18 minus 20, it will be minus 2. So finally you are getting x is equal to minus 2. Therefore this method is called elimination method. It is y is eliminated. Okay. The main target to eliminate x or y, I am eliminating y, making y equal. Before it was 5 and here 2 given, first equation 5, second 2 given. Multiplying equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 by 5, then it will be 10y both. If I subtract, if it is same sign, you have to subtract, opposite you have to add. Now put the value of x in equation 1. From equation 1, what will get? Equation 1 given 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Now put the value of x, that is minus 2. 8 into minus 2 plus 5y is equal to 9. 8 to just 16, minus 16, take that, 9 plus 16. Therefore y will be how much? 9 plus 16, 25. 25 divided by 5, it is coming 5. Y is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. In this way, number 1 solved by solving this method, this equation by elimination method. Let us go question number 2. Equation number 2, it is given 5x minus 3y equal to 16. Second equation given 3x minus y equal to 12. If I want to make y equal, then I have to multiply equation 2 with 3. Just see equation 1, multiply only 1. It will be 5x as usual before, 5x minus 3y equal to 16. Equation 2, you have to multiply 3. Then 6 is a 9x minus 3y equal to 3 is a 36. Now it is coming same, 3y minus 3y, then you have to subtract, sign will be changed. Now minus 3y plus 3y will be cancelled, eliminated, y is eliminated. 5x minus 9x is coming minus 4x. And this side minus 30 plus 16 minus 36 plus 6, it will be minus 20. Okay. Therefore y will be how, x will be how much? Minus 20 divided by minus 4, coming 4 5 is 20. X is equal to 5. Okay. X is equal to 5. Now put the value of x in equation 1. from equation 1, it is given 5x minus 3y. 5x, x means what? 5x minus 3y equal to 16. 5 is 25, bring 16 this side, equal to 3y. Then 3y will be how much? 25 minus 16, that is coming 9. Therefore, y will be how much? Y will be 9 by 3 means 3. In this way, question number 2 also completed by solving elimination method. Let us go question number 3. Question number 3, it is given 4x minus 5y equal to 19. Second equation given 3x plus 2y equal to 43. Okay. Equation 1, just multiply 2. Then this will be 2 4 is 8x minus 10y equal to 19 2 is 38. Now, equation 2 you have to multiply with 5. Then 5 3 is 3 given, 5 3 is 15x plus 5 2 is 10y. Now multiply 43 into 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 215. Okay, I am making y equal 10y, here also 10y. As it is opposite sign given, you have to add. Then y will be eliminated. Therefore, this process is called elimination process. Add this part cancel. 8x plus 15x, this will be 23x. Now add this one. 215 plus 30 is coming how much? 253. Okay, coming 253. Therefore, x is equal to 253 by 20. Okay, it will be 23 1 is 23, again 23 1 is 23. Therefore, x coming how much? X is equal to 11. Now, x is equal to 11. Put the value of x in equation 2. Okay, from equation 2, any one you can put from equation 2. Okay, which will be easier that I am doing. From equation 2, it is given 3x plus 2y is equal to 43. Just put the value of x, that is 11 plus 2y equal to 43. Now 2y equal to 43, this is 11 3 is 33, take that side, minus 33. Okay, minus 33. I think it is clear. 11 3 is 33, taking that side, minus 33. Y will be how much? 43 minus 33 coming how much? 10. 10 divided by 2. Therefore, y coming, y is equal to 5. So, by solving this equation by elimination method, x coming 11, and y coming 5. Therefore, solution coming x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 5. In this way, question number 3 also completed. Okay, try to practice this sum. Thank you for today's class. Next day tomorrow.